Okay, so the next question here, question B2, subheading 3. Let me read the question for us. The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times, second condition, this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Suppose we take a 2-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. This is a 1-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. So they are saying it's a 2-digit number. So if it is 2 digits, then we count places like this. First place is called units place. Next one is the tens place 7, starting from right to left. And third place is called the hundreds place. But we don't need a hundreds place. So if 2 digit, then we have here, let x be the units digit and y represent the or be the tens digit of the number. Then let me take this here typical case of 2-digit number. Now we know this is units and this tens place. This number can be improvised and written in another form like this. Units 10, some 10 right there, multiply to the tens digit, then put a plus sign. Then units means 1, so write there 1. And here 1 into 2. It will be the same. See, 10 sevens are 70, plus 1 twos are, so 70 plus 2, 72. So the 2-digit number 72 can be written as 10 into the tens digit plus 1 into the units digit 2. I'm going to do that. So therefore, original number, I'm going to say, original number will be equal to 10 into the tens digit is x, so I just put the x, be the units digit, so 10 and y is the tens digit, so 10 into y plus 1 into units digit is x, so 1 into x, I can simply write it as x. What I'm trying to say is we're writing in this form the original number. And if this number reverse, then 2 will come front and 7 go back. In that case, this is units and tens. So the reverse number will be 10 now into the tens digit now is 2 plus 1 into units digit is 7. Likewise, and reverse number will therefore be 10 into x plus 1 into y now. Just like this has come front and this has gone back, so x, which was the units digit, will become the tens digit. Y, which was the tens digit, will now become units digit if the number were to be reversed. So this is the situation. As per first condition of the question, let us look there into the question. Let me read it. The sum of the digits is 9. So the 2 digits are x and y, so sum means plus x plus y equal to 9. Very easy. First condition. And as per second condition, let me read the question. Here, second sentence, also 9 times this number. So 9 times means 9 multiplied to the original. This number means the original number. 9 times into 10 plus x is the original number. 9 times the original number is equal to, let us see, is equal to twice the number obtained by twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So 2 times the reverse number, that means multiplied to reverse number 10x plus y. The original number, 9 times the original number is 2 times the reverse digit. So we have here this second condition. So let us simplify them slowly. 10, 9 tens are 90y. Okay. Then plus 9 into x, 9x. That way outside, inside multiply, then bracket remove. Similarly, 2 into 10 is 20x plus 2 into y is 20y, and brackets are removed both sides in that manner. So here we have here these x terms and y terms, you can bring it on one side. So you can just write here 90y plus 9x, shift this one, then minus 20x, shift this one, then minus 2y. Everything taken to left side, nothing in there on the right side means 0. Okay. Twice the number of them by revising the digits. That's correct. So here, now 90y minus 2y is 88y. We know that. And 9x minus 20x. 20 minus 9. So minus 20 plus 9 subtraction. 10 minus 9, 1. To make 10 here, we borrowed 1 from here. So only 1 left. No more 2. So 1 bigger minus. So we write here minus 11y is equal to 0. That's fine. We can use like this as equation 2. This is x, sorry, x. So 9x minus 20x is minus 11x. Normally we're putting the x term first, so let us do that. Then minus 11x, first place, plus, no sign here means plus, 88y is equal to right side is 0 now, as you can see here. So it's matching with the first equation, x in the first place. That's okay, we can use like this, but normally we want to put this first term as positive, so change it to positive. Minus 11 to plus 10, then this also will change, everything else will change. Minus 88y is equal to 0. No need to put plus minus there because 0 has no sign, right? Now we can still make it simpler here. 11 is common factor, so take it out. X minus 11, 8s are 88. Y, so 11 to 8y, 88y. 11 into x, 11x, equal to 0. Why we are doing this is because now we can shift this 11 to right side and into becomes divided by 11. 0 divided by 11 is, now we have a simpler equation. Is equal to 0 divided by anything is 0. Equation number 2. It's a simple equation here. X, 1x, 1y, 1x. So we can use substitution method, I think. So here 1x, 1x. Maybe we can take this from equation 2. Or you can even take from equation 1 this one. That's up to us. So if you take from this one, this, you decide to take, then only x on one side. That means substitution we are trying to do. Minus 8y shifted to right side plus 8y. Let us put this one as equation 3. We need not write 0 because 8y plus 0 is 0, 8y only. So putting this value here, putting equation 3 value in equation. Since 3 is taken from 2, we should put in the other one 1 and not 2 again. 1 is now this one. So x is 8y, so we're going to replace this x here by that 8y plus y is equal to 9. That way we're getting 8y plus no number means 1, so 8y plus 1y is 9y is equal to 9. So that way y will be equal to 9 this one, and divided by this will come down. So 1, 9 ones are 9, 1 by 1 is 1. Then putting this value, putting y equal to 1 in equation number 3, because 3 is perfectly arranged to find x. So we can do that, therefore we're going to get x equal to 8 into y, and y is 1, so 1, 8 ones are 8. Therefore, final answer we can write, go back to beginning. The question is saying find the number, I think. Yes, so original number. So find the number means original number only. Original number here is 10y plus x, as you can see here, original number. So 10 into y is, now we got it here, 1 plus here x, we got this 8, so put 8, 10 ones are 10, and plus here 8, so the original number is 10 plus 8, 18. Okay, one more question before we conclude this 3.4C part, test 3.4C. I'm going to do that. Question 2, subheading 4. Let me read the question for us. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000 total. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. That made 2000, that means. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and 100 she received. Let X be the number of rupees 50 notes, let us say, and Y be the number of rupees 100 notes. Okay, so let's read the first condition. Meena went to the bank to withdraw rupees 2000. So she got rupees 2000. So as per first condition, she got rupees 2000. Total she got rupees 2000. In what manner did she get 2000? With only 50 and 100 notes. So rupees 50, okay, rupees 50 into number of rupees 50 notes is X. So number of rupees 50 notes she received multiplied to rupees 50 is total amount of rupees 50 plus rupees she got plus rupees, the other type of note is 100, into number of rupees 100 note is Y she received. Total number of 100 notes Y multiplied to rupees 100 is total amount she received in 100 rupees denominations, and 50 multiplied to number of 50 notes, total amount of money she received in rupees 50 denominations only. So together she got 2000. The first condition is same. So now we can remove this here, rupees 50 common in both. So I just take out into X. 50 rupees 50 has gone out of the bracket. So 50 rupees 50 into 2 is 100. So and only Y left there. The way equal to rupees 200. I'm taking rupees and 50 out as the highest common factor on the left side. That way we can write X plus 2Y is equal to rupees 2000 divided by this 50, rupees 50 into will become divided by rupees 50. So that this rupees and rupees cancel, 0, 0 cancel, and 5 4s are 20, 1 0 is there, 4 0. So our first equation, linear equation will reduce to a simpler form, X plus 2Y equal to 40. Okay, we need one more linear equation that will be found in second condition. So let us go and see what is that. As per second condition, let us read the question. Second sentence, Meena got 25 notes in all, means total number of notes is she got 25 notes. How did she get that? Number of rupees 50 notes, X, plus the number of rupees 100 notes, Y. Number of rupees 50 notes, number of 100 rupees notes, total notes 25. Question is saying like that. So this is quite simple, equation number 2. As we see 1 in equations 2, we see here coefficients of X are simpler, 1 and 1. Even Y here also 1. So 1, 1, 1. Any one we can take. Maybe we can take this 1x or 1y also you can take, or from here also you can take 1x. So we decided to take from 2. So I'm going to write here from equation 2. I wanted to take this 1x term alone. I'm going to express x now in terms of the rest. So is equal to 25. So in terms of the rest means everything else, the remaining go on the right side, plus 1. Y becomes minus y. So this is equation number 3. So your equation number 3 should be in such form that either y or x only is on left side and the remaining terms and expressions are on the right side. And we're going to substitute that in the next step. Right, so here I'm going to write here, putting this one we got just now, putting equation 3 value that we got just now in equation. We have to determine that. Since we got the equation 3 by using 2, don't put in 2 again, we're going to put in the other one, 1. Go back to 1 now, and this is the 1. X is now replaced by 3 values, so x is 25 minus y, so this x in equation 1 is going to be replaced by 25 minus y. This x, the remaining will be same, plus 2y, as you can see here, is equal to 40. That way, minus y plus 2y means plus 2 minus 1, because minus y means minus 1y. Subtract, so 1, 2 minus 1, and bigger one plus, so here plus. So this 2 minus y and plus 2y is plus 1y is equal to 40. And if you shift this, no sign in front of 25 means plus 25. Shifted to right side, become minus 25. So y is 40 minus 25 with minus in front of 25, and no sign in front of 40 means plus. And plus minus means with no subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5. To make 10 here, we took 1 from here, borrowed 1 from 4. So 4 will reduce to 3, common sense, right? So 3 minus 2 will be 1. Bigger sign number, absolute value 40 has sign plus, so here also 15 will have plus. So plus 15 is the value of 40 minus 25. To find the y, to find the x, we put this value y equal to 15, we calculated just now, in equation 3. Why? Because 3 is perfectly arranged to find x. See here. So x will be equal to 25 minus and y. And this y is going to be replaced by this y value, 15. 25 minus 15 is, we know, 0 here, 1, so 10. Therefore, number of rupees 50. Number of rupees 50 notes is equal to x we put in the beginning. See here. Let x be the number of rupees 50 notes. So x is now, then shows she got 10 notes in rupees 50 denominations. And the next one, number of rupees 100 notes, y. So she got rupees 100 notes, there are 15. So it must be correct because the question itself is saying she got the total number of notes is 25. So rupees 15 notes 10, rupees 100 notes 15, 15 plus 10, 25. Seems to be correct. So these are the answers. Okay. I think that concludes the part for test 3.4C. Okay, I hope you understood it.